Hi everyone, my name's Laura, welcome back to my channel. As you'll see by the title today, it is an unboxing day and it is for Tribe Beauty Box. This is an American beauty box and it ships internationally, so it ships to the UK, to Canada, to the USA and to other countries as well. The box itself is $35 and the shipping varies from where it's going to be sent. It's $3.99 to go to the US, it's $6.99 to Canada, and it is $15 to come to the UK. So all in all, this box is $50 to come to the UK, which translates to about 38 British pounds. You get it every other month. So I got my first box in in February, and then I've got this box, which is the April box, and I received this yesterday, which was the 12th. The only hiccup I've had so far is that when I signed up initially, there was a code you could enter called welcome gift and you would receive a free gift. I entered that code, but I never got the free gift. I contacted them about this and they said, we'll send it out in your next box. I did say I wasn't happy with that because I didn't feel it was fair that I should have to wait 2 months for my gift, which was meant to be a welcome gift. However, they kind of went a bit silent on me. I got the box. I asked them to confirm if it would come in my April box, and they said it will. So my April box has arrived. I still didn't get my free gift. So I have contacted them again. They've replied saying that as soon as the goods have been received, that they will contact me about sending it out. It didn't really make sense. I'm going to give it a couple of days, and then I'm going to go back to them and say, look, I'm not prepared to wait another 2 months. This isn't really... I don't think it's very good service. I know it's only a little silly thing. By the end of the day, this is all stuff that's going to encourage you to continue your subscription. And I was just a little bit let down by it. Let's see what's in this box. So the advantage for me about having this box is you get brands that are readily available in the US but not so easily to get hold of in the UK. Or if you do want to get hold of them, you have to pay stupid shipping fees, and like when I say stupid, I mean stupid amount of shipping fees and customs and taxes and everything else, which just makes it really... is it worth it, you know? We can get some American brands through websites such as Beauty Bay and Cult Beauty, but other than that, it's very kind of limited. That's what appeals to me about these boxes. Let's open it up and see what's in it. Now, what I learnt that is different about Tribe Beauty Box as to all of my other subscription boxes is that the box itself is not... This is the box. So this is what arrives in the post, and this is the box. So there's no box within the cardboard box. So this is what we've got. We've got a little information sheet here, and then we've got the products just here. So this information thing here will tell me what my products are and the value of the products, and then obviously I can see how much of a good value my box should be, hopefully. The first thing that we've got is an original beauty blender. Love the colour. My kind of colour. So this, I've never owned an actual genuine beauty blender. Oh, it's very soft. I've never actually owned an official beauty blender. I've got the Real Technique ones, and I've got a few cheapy versions and a few from Tarte when I've bought some of their bundles before, but I've never actually owned an original beauty blender, so that's pretty cool. It comes in its own little packet. This is a US, so every value that I say will be dollars, okay? And if I can convert what I'll do is, at the end of the video, I will add the total up, and I will put the dollars and the UK pound value. So obviously just remember that I am saying dollars, not UK pounds. It simply says, water activated beauty blender chill is a teal makeup applicator that expands to twice its size when wet. Blending liquid and powder products over the complexion. Use in bouncing motions to create a smooth airbrushed finish. So the next thing that we have here is this Rodial Glamo Brow Eyebrow Pencil. And this is in dark ash brown. So we shall see. Because I don't have, I'm very fair. So my eyebrows are quite light. I haven't done them today. That's naughty. So I could, I don't like them, my eye pencils to be too dark because I don't have dark eyebrows. But it comes with this cool little brush here. See if we can get it to show you on the end. And then So it's obviously a, okay. So let's see what kind of colour it is. Oh, it is quite a dark, can you see that? It's quite a dark brown, so we'll see how that comes out, but you know, that shouldn't be too bad. That should be wearable. I'm always looking for a good eyebrow pencil or eyebrow product. I don't do full on over the top eyebrows. I just like mine to be a little bit darker just because they're quite fair. And that is a value of $26. It just says create a perfectly defined brow with this dual ended precision eyebrow pencil with an ultra fine retractable tip. It makes for easy shaping and filling in of brows for buildable definition and a polished finish. The soft cream gel texture mimics the look of brow hair and is smear proof with long wear and hold, offering great colour payoff and blendability. Yeah, so there we go. That's that one. So the next product that we've got, so we've actually got 3 more products in here, so you get 5 products altogether. Now the next 2 are from the same company of The Balm. Now I haven't got any of their products. I've not owned any of their products. I've not really seen them. Again, this is one of those more US based brands, so it's not something that I have seen readily available in the UK. I'm sure maybe if I went into like a big Boots or like a big Debenhams or House of Fraser or somewhere like that, I probably will be able to find it, but I don't visit those shops very often because I just don't. It's not really much more we can say. It's a nice neutral tone. It's translucent, so you're just going to pat that over your face. So you're just going to pat that all over your face, and yeah, I like the fact that it's compact. I like the fact that I could just keep that in my bag if I felt I needed to, and just get that out and just give myself a freshen up if I felt I needed to. It's also travel friendly. I travel a lot when I go to work. I will sometimes stay overnight if I've got a few days in a row, and so this is going to be really handy to just put in my travel makeup bag. Okay, so the next product that we have is the Manizer Sisters, aka the Luminizers. And so again, this is from The Balm, and this is a value of $28. So just slide this out, and the packaging is the same on the inside. It just says Mary Lou, aka the Luminizer, Cindy Lou, aka the Contour Artist, and then Betty Lou, aka the Bronzing Bandit. I'm going to open it up, and again you have a mirror here, which I will cover, and then you have the 3 colours here. I mean, they look nice and neutral. They have the names down there as well. So it just basically says, designed for girls on the run, this highlighting trio enables you to emphasise your finest features. The palette contains 3 triple milled multitasking highlighters, shimmers and shadows. The champagne, rose and golden bronze shades are flattering on all skin tones and easy to use, so you can take your glow on the go. Place it on here. Oh, wow. Can you see that? It's not looking as glowy as it is here. But you can see the colour. If I can get it to reflect for you. Okay, it's looking like a very block colour, but it has got a lovely glow to it. Can you kind of see that now? I have the sort of the blush. That's just a very nice, you won't be able to see that on my hand. I know you won't. I don't know why I'm trying to show you. No, you won't. But that's got a lovely sort of golden shimmer to it. Ooh, that was bronzier than I was expecting. Ooh. Can you see that? It's not showing its true colour, but that's actually got a really beautiful sort of copper shimmer to it. Again, same as the translucent powder. That would be great for when I'm travelling. So I'm going to just pop that back. And then finally, because there's always, my understanding is there's always kind of like a big palette. So last box it was this, what was the brand name? The Block. It was the Block Party eyeshadow palette, and it was because it was in collaboration with Porcelain, who's another YouTuber. She loves her bright, bold colours. So it was a bold coloured eyeshadow palette. Suva Beauty, I think it was. Sorry. my green tea with honey and lemon because, as you can hear, I've got a lovely cold. Okay, anyway, so the palette for this month is this Bella Pierre Cosmetics 12 colour Pro Lip Palette. Bella Pierre really is just popping about in all of these beauty boxes lately, but I have never seen it quite like this. It's got all the colours on the back. They're pretty. Okay, let's do it. Oh, it's on the back of the box as well with all the names. Okay, again, it's got a little plastic protector and a mirror, which I'm going to cover because you don't need to see everything. And that's what we've got. So we have all these lovely lip colours, and there is a little... Oh, well, I got the brush out. So there's like a little brush. It's double ended, as you can see here. It's got like a flat brush here and then like a little brush here. So what colour shall I choose? I love this metallic-y kind of purple here. I don't know if that's going to be a bit out there, but shall we do it? Let's have a go. So I'm just going to kind of... Oh, does it have instructions? Oh, it does. It tells you. Application. Using the lip brush provided, swirl into desired shade and apply evenly to lips. Shades can also be mixed for custom colours. What does it tell me here? So this is a value of $50. And it just says each shade is formulated with moisturising ingredients that will leave lips feeling hydrated and soft while delivering high impact pigment. And again, it says you can mix them. So I'm going to go in with this couture colour, I think. Oh, so I've just dipped the sort of larger part of the brush in. You'll see it's very soft. That sounds dodgy, doesn't it? Okay, so there you have it. That's a really, really nice palette, actually, and it's nice to get something a little bit... First of all, I was thinking, the lip palette, I'm not massively keen on that, but do you know what? That's a really nice palette. Those lips, that went on so easily. That looks really nice. Feels really comfortable. And I did, yeah, I went out there with a slightly more out there kind of colour because I just thought, if you're going to put it on, let's try it. But no, I'm really happy with that. That's really cool. Okay, so let's sum this up. I will add the details in properly down below, but if you think we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 80 plus 50, so 130 straight away, then plus your little add-ons here, so about £145 dollars, sorry, worth of value in this box, about $145. Again, I'll pop the proper currency on now. So for that, you're getting your beauty blender, proper beauty blender, your sort of contouring kit just here, you've got your eyebrow kit just here, or sorry, your eyebrow pencil, your lip kit here, and then your translucent powder. So what do you think? I think it's a pretty good box, personally. Let's see what happens in 2 months' time, but I'm happy with this. Let me know what you think down below. Do you get this box? Is it something that you think that you would consider getting? It is pricier, I appreciate that, but you're definitely getting your value here, and at least it's every other month. So if you broke it down, it's probably just around about sort of £18 a month. So, you know, it's I think it's a pretty good deal. Yeah, so as always, if you could let me know what you think, and if you could click subscribe, that would be great. And yeah, as always, have a great day.